Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've decided to give my wigs a breaky break here, okay, and rock my natural hair for I feel like it's been such a long time since I have had my like actual natural hair out in so long, and I missed it. So in today's video, I'm gonna just get right to it because this is clearly something that people actually want to see. So there's this picture that has been surfacing the internet, the interwebs. And I have seen it multiple times and I have been tagged in it probably at least 5 times since I've seen it. And I've been tagged so that I could recreate it. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm going to recreate this like fiery look. I don't know what to call it, but it's fierce and I love it. So yeah, this like super cute hot chick. She's in red. She has the red nails. This whole entire time I actually meant to go and pick up a red liner pen, but life was just like,
no, no, not today, not today.
So I'm going to work with what I have and see if I can at least mimic this look. Once again, please excuse my birds in the back. I tried to cover them up a little bit so that they could shut up, but apparently that's not the deal today. So I do have red. So it looks like, you know what, I'm gonna just stop talking and we're just gonna get right into this. Yep. Yeah. So the first thing I'm going to tackle is these brows. It looks like she did like a really nice, like feathery look with her brows. Unfortunately, I do not have a brow soap and it's almost time for me to do a brow cleanup again, as you can see. So I do have a brow gel. I don't know if this is actually going to do anything for my brows, but since I don't have the soap, which I need to get, I'm gonna try to keep them up and make them stay in place. I guess that'll do. Time for concealer. But I have to cover up these hairs first because it is pretty tragic right now. Ooh, okay. These have to be straight because those brows are straight. So I need to stop talking. You know, I think I kind of nailed it with the brows. I think I did. First of all, my lips are chapped. Okay. Wow, these 2 eyebrow hairs right here are disrespectful. They're not laying down. I think, yeah. Yep, it's a yes. It's a yes for me. I think in general, a lot of people stick to the same way of doing their eyebrows, but this, I kind of dig it. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to eyeshadow base, and this is my P. Louise base in Rumor number 4. So this eyeshadow look really isn't like, it's not super complicated. There's a lot of artistry involved. Definitely a lot of like artistry, and that's the part that scares me. Not to say that I'm not an artist, because, well, duh, but I do it for makeup. But it's the lines. If the lines are not right in this look, it's going to throw it all the way off. In all honesty, you're really not working with a lot of color. It's like brown, white, and red. Like, that's pretty much it. Or like different shades of brown. Yeah. Right. So actually for my transition shade, I'm actually going to use this in Daydream, because even though there's some browns in there, it's definitely brown, but there's some, actually let me get closer. Closer. Yeah, there's like definitely some other color there. And I don't know what it is, but it's looking like it's pretty close to like a peachish whatever. Ooh, okay, so there's blue on this brush. We're not gonna do that. Oh, come on. Come on. This is a more safe brush to use because that blue was starting to peek through. All right, there we go. So like throughout the video, I'm going to like simultaneously pop the picture over here. That's kind of like why I'm off to the side, because I'm gonna like kind of pop it up here every once in a while so you guys can see how I'm doing. So the smart thing would probably have been to go and actually see if there was a video on how she did it, because I'm pretty sure that there's some kind of video or tutorial or whatever. Or maybe not. So, okay, so I think I'm good. Now I'm going to use my Morphe palette because that has like the widest range of browns that I have. Okay, so just because this is just my favorite brush ever, I'm going to use my Morphe M506 brush. I'm nervous. And we're going to work in the crease or the upper crease, whatever. So I'm going to start with the lightest brown first, just to be safe. So I'm going to go and take this shade right here, and then I'm going to dip into this shade, and then I'm going to dip into this shade. So, yeah. So I'm trying to really get that inner part because sometimes it could be a little wacky. So that one looks good, but for some reason this side just looks patchy to me. So now I'm going to take a brush with a little bit more dense. So I'm going to take this kind of like pencil bullet brush, and this is the Morphe M321, and I'm going to darken up the crease a little bit, like actually my inner crease. I think so. I think we're getting there. Her brown was a little bit soft. Oh, well, I have to remember that we are two different skin shade tones. So the brown is going to look darker on me just in general. So, okay, I'm gonna keep going.
Okay, I think we're good. Yeah.
So now we're sitting here with blank lids. Now, okay, now the question is execution. So it's like, was the crease okay, let me look. Looks like Now, I can't tell if that's like a shimmer or if it's like, it kind of looks like a shimmer. Like it looks like a really subtle kind of shimmer. My best guess would have to be that she put whatever eyeshadow she did on before she did the white line. I would just like to point out to you guys how stressful this look has become for me. Like, I am so anal when it comes to like straight lines, and it is literally driving me crazy that I cannot get this. I just cannot. I can't get it. But you know what? We're just gonna keep going, because if I take the time out to actually try, I'm losing my mind. All right, so clearly I'm filming in a separate space just for this part of the video right now because I just can't. Okay, so I had to do it like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe because I forgot to mention that in the beginning because I guess I was just so excited that I forgot to mention the important stuff. So I'm saying it now. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not part of the Glam fam. I'm still calling y'all that for now. We might change it up a little bit. But if you're not part of my tribe, go ahead, click the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and comment down below. Did I nail it or did I not nail it? You know, because I'm feeling kind of about it right now. But let me know. Let me know in the comments. How did I do? Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job? Talk to me. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor.